Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to the channel. So I am going to do my hair for you. It's going to look better tomorrow and the third day. And I can actually go 4 days. I don't know how I'm going to do this in here. I really don't. But maybe you'll be able to get the gist of what I'm doing. So the first thing that we're going to do is take this purified water and get my hair re-wet again. We'll pretend I just got out of the shower. Okay, so the next step for me would be to put this. This is the Way leave-in conditioner in my hair, and it also has a heat protectant in it. I also like this heat protectant an awful lot. This is the Caviar. I like them both. So I alternate between the two if I'm going to use a blow dryer, because I'm deathly afraid that I'm going to hurt my hair, turn it colors and stuff. Today we're going to use this though. So this one here, I just spray through my hair. This one I tend to put in my hand, rub it together, and then run it through there. And I'll get my blow dryer out. This is the Lumière Ionic blow dryer. I don't put this on hot. I'm putting it right on my scalp and kind of moving it around and in any direction. I don't care which way it goes. Like I said, I'm kind of into the whole I did nothing with my hair look. And while it's still a little damp, I will get this. It's the Caviar. It's a thickening spray for your hair, and it's got vitamins and stuff in it. It's anti-aging. I put it in my palm like so, and I rub this against my scalp. I'm primarily trying to get it at the roots. I get the blow dryer again and just kind of work it around in circles. I'm just moving it all over my head in every which direction. So as you can see, my hair has not got any rhyme or reason to what's going on with it. And it's probably going to look pretty bad when I'm done because I'm trying to do it in a viewfinder instead of a mirror. I really want to make it thicker, and to me this really is the secret weapon. It is the Big Sexy Hair Powder Play. If you guys know of a powder play like this that works as good, this is kind of expensive. But it's the finest little, look, see if you can see how fine these are. Okay, that's way too much. I'm just going to kind of do this and work my hair this way. This stuff, little bit. You put this in your hair, if you get too much, you're going to be sorry. So you just want to take it slow and just do a few little sprinkles. You can always add more. I'm kind of doing this blind. So after I get through showing you how I do my hair, I'm going to have to really go do my hair. See these little holes? They let a lot of product out, so be very careful. You just want to tap a little bit in your hair. I just grab it and I put the tiniest bit in here. That was not the tiniest bit. And then I do that. I just run my hand in circles and really get it all messed up. Do you see how big my hair just got? And it will stay like that now. And anytime during the day, if you want to, zhuzh it up a little bit more, just take your hands and do this through your hair. And it will get big again. Look how big this is now. See? After you have all that through your hair and you've worked it in really good, then what I do is I will get a hairspray. Now it depends on what the day's like, where I'm going, what's going on, as to what kind of a spray I'm going to put in my hair. The Wind Restorative Finishing Treatment Spray. If you're afraid of using Wind, don't be afraid of using this. This is glorious, and it puts a shine in your hair. And you can have just a little tiny bit of hold, or you can get really stiff, depending on how much you use. But what I like about this is you can run your fingers through your hair later, and you don't have your hands stuck in your hair. And if it's really windy outside, and my hair's going to blow all over the place, and I know it looks like, well, your hair's all over the place anyway, but you do care. When your calyx are showing and stuff, you care. So I got this right here, the free spray, and this got to be glued. These are a girl's best friend if you wear a wig. This is what keeps that wig on all day without moving, without itching, without, I mean, this, you know, you can wear that wig 16 hours, it going nowhere. So use this sparingly on your hair when, you know, it's like a hairspray. You want to give that a good shake and hold back and psh, psh, psh. Promise you, it's going nowhere after that. This is a spiking, screaming hold for hair. Yeah, you bet. You're not getting a comb through your hair then. We will take spots of the hair and we do this. And I'm just grabbing spots. Okay, no rhyme or reason here. The only thing I want to do is make sure when I look in a mirror and I'm checking the back of my hair that I take a pick and do this. And that will get the spots covered and I'll spray them. Because I can't see what I'm doing, I'm going to go off camera and do the things I just told you. I wonder if I can see this. A little. Okay, so what I do is I just take the pick and I pull up, get it to where I want it, and then I spray it down. See this? A couple of months ago, that was black. And my parents were amazed because as far as we knew, I didn't have that dark a hair. But who knows, because my hair has been dyed since I was 19 years old. I had an accident with sun in. So I first dyed my hair at 19 and I've not seen my natural hair since. I mean, there was probably more of this, like in the darker spots, there was probably more of that. And I missed it because I waited so long to let it grow out. And I hate that. And this is fading fast. You know, I feel bad because I kind of want it to stick around. I kind of like it. Anyway, back to the hair. All right, so now I need a haircut because it's not spiking as much as I want right now. That's okay though. The first day it's always like this. It kind of doesn't look like I want. But the second day, after being roughed around on my silk pillowcase, it looks better. But after putting all that in my hair, it does feel a little dry now. So what I like to do is, and you don't have to use this. This stuff is like magic. This is Wynn's Sweet Almond Smoothing Glossing Serum. But you could use, like, I've used oil before. Coconut, sweet almond oil or whatever. I just put a couple of pumps of this in my hand. And see, it's oily. Now, I don't run it through my hair. I just run it over my hair. Okay, so I'm just like adding a little gloss to my hair because I just put all that stuff in there so it kind of looks dry. So this is pretty much it. I'm going to get on some makeup. I'll be back. Usually after I get done with everything, like I am right now, I'm done. What I'll do is I'll look in the mirror and then I will just take and I'll pull at my hair in spots and hit it with spray. So, you know, like so, you know, I'll just hold it there for a little bit so it's sticking out. Obviously that's not going to work right now because I can't see what I'm doing. But that's the only thing that I didn't show is, you know, I might like pull this part out like that and just hit it with spray so that it's sticking out. And it will stay like that because of the products that you see me use. Here also I wanted to let you guys know what products I use to wash my hair or clean my hair because it's not just Wynn anymore. This is Wynn's Lavender Cleaning Conditioner, and I'll tell you what, this whole adventure kind of took me away from Wynn because, I don't know, I just felt like my water is really hard. You can tell that by looking at things that I have in my shower, and it always makes me feel so gross. I mean, listen to this. Even though I wipe this off a little bit, there's still, right? Well, that hard water, those chemicals, the hard water, different things have, I noticed, started making my hair occasionally turn more yellow tinted. And so I changed up things. I use this apple cider vinegar. This is Nature's Love Harmonia's Well-Being Shampoo. Apple cider and apple cider vinegar, clarifying and shine. I'm using the shampoo and the conditioner. I use this when I shampoo my hair. I will every other week. I use this in my hair. If you can read what that is, it's a purple shampoo. Boy, this stuff is purple, like deep purple. I mean, look how deep. That is how deep purple it is. And you know, if you leave it on a really long time, it'll tint your hair purple. So, you know, this stuff's kind of expensive, and I mean, it's in a metal container. Some people have suggested shimmering lights. I guess Wen has something out now called Indigo. No, I don't necessarily think this makes my hair fall out or whatever, but my hair's been so much thicker and I'm kind of scared to go back to the Wen. And it could be a lot of things. It could be a combination of things. My gray hair is wiry, I don't know why. Hairdressers, sound off below. Why does my hair have this wiry texture to it, gray, when it was gray underneath the hair color? And when it was colored, it didn't have that texture. But anyway, that texture, keeping it short, I'm sure these things all play into why it's thicker. But for the first time since Wen came out, I'm not using Wen. I mean, I'm using it here and there, but not very much at all. Instead, I've been like using this a lot, which I don't know if that's really good for my hair to use this all the time, but I only wash my hair every 3rd to 4th day, and it has a lot of product in it. So I've been using this to strip out all the crap I put in my hair. So as I said, it's still a learning process for me. I'm enjoying hearing your guys' tips and tricks. I had no idea there was so many of you beautiful gray-haired sisters out there, right? I had no idea. No idea at all. I'm so happy to learn that. I hope you guys know that you're the best part of the Fritzy family. And if you're not being blessed, if you feel like you're not having a blessed day, please go out, be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you, see ya. Bye. Oops, bye. And I'm out.
Okay, I hammered on enough. I've hammered on enough. Let's just get to the stuff that you guys came here for. How you doing? Oh my gosh, I tell you what, I've been so into Friends. I mean, I'm like almost through the 10th season. It's almost over, you guys. Now I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I think they're taking a break. Here, I know that I have quite a few hairdressers in the audience, so watch this. Just kidding. Not only wouldn't I run with scissors, I wouldn't go anywhere near my hair with them. Pet your hair, it's so soft. So it's like a bunny. It's just so soft. We could put this on for fun. You know what happens though? I put this on. I mean, this is for people who have long hair trying to get lift, right? But I put this on and I'm like, this tickles so bad. I can't stand it. I can't stand it. It tickles. For somebody that has a tiny bit of hair, I do a lot to it. I tease it. I'm like, na 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 na. Here we go round in circles. Dun 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 dun. Here we go round in circles. Purple. Like purple rain, purple rain. That's what it feels like in the shower. I feel like Prince is in there going, wow! Purple rain, purple rain. Yeah, baby, it's raining purple in the shower. My hair, gray is wire. It's wiry. It's wiry. This is nature's love. Harmonious.